Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to change your Windows boot screen. This works from Windows 8 or 8.1. Not really sure, sorry. Up to Windows 11. Okay, so first click Windows logo on your keyboard and the letter R at once. This will pop up, type MSInfo32. Make sure this says UEFI or else your PC is not supported. Download HackBGRT, make sure it's version 1.5 because that's the only one that works with a full screen image. The link is in my description. Click I to install. This will pop up, delete everything and paste the script from my description. It will allow you to set a full screen image. Now it's gonna pop up with this paint window. Don't click open, click paste and pick a photo. You need to convert it to BMP format first. To do that, follow me, it's really easy. Google from what format you're converting to BMP. Pick your photo. Click convert. Download it. Name it splash.bmp. But before, make sure the image has the same resolution as your monitor. Unfortunately, some PCs have a different boot resolution, so you might need to figure that out. Sorry. The one that says recommended is the one you need the photo in. Okay, now let's continue. Click save on the photo and exit the window. It's now done. Continue watching to find out how to remove the loading circle on the boot screen. Okay, so go into your browser and search Win-Arrow Tweaker. Click the second link. Click download. Extract it. If you don't have an extractor, click the extract all option. Install it wherever you want. You can delete the app right after we turn off the circle. I chose to install it inside of this folder to make it quicker. Search boot. Click the disable loading circle. I accidentally clicked the wrong one while recording. The option I accidentally selected does nothing cause we changed the boot logo. Here is the result. Thank you for watching. If something is off with your photo, it's about your boot resolution being different. Sorry, you have to find it out yourself.